Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to tell you about one of the best platforms to generate AI videos and images. The platform we are going to explore today is called Higgsfield. Well, Higgsfield is all-in-one platform where we can use all video and image generation models. Higgsfield also has many pre-built AI apps which we can use to get custom results. When it comes to pricing and quality, Higgsfield is my first choice.
So head over to Xfield official website and then create a free account here. As I already have an account, so I'm going to log in into my existing account. The feature we are going to use today is called Cinema Studio and you can see it in top menu. So click on it. Well, using this feature, we will be able to create images using any camera and any lens. And here you can see we have options. So we can select camera, we can use any camera, and these are real cameras which are used in Hollywood movies. So we can select any camera here and we can also change any lens from here. And then we have option for the focal length and we can change that too. So when we create any image from this feature, our image will be generated using these options. So first of all, we need to make sure our images are ready. You can also use your pre-created images or you can create images directly here in Cinema Studio. So I have some prompts. So let's generate images first. Okay, I have entered a prompt, and for the camera I am going to use these settings. You can also change the quality. I'm going to create 4K images, and here you can set the batch size. So let's hit generate. Our image is created. Now let's take this to video section to create a cinematic video using this image. So click on animate and you can see the tab is on video section. So here we have some settings. First of all, the camera movements. If you want to add any camera movement, you can select it from here and then it will be automatically added in the video. But I'm going to use static. Okay, then here we have option for the duration. I'm going to create 10-second shot, and here we have option for the audio. I'm going to generate audio for this image, so I should keep it on. And here we have the slow-mo option. If you want videos in slow motion, you can keep it on or off. I'm going to make it off, and here we have batch size again. So first of all, we have to add a image right here which we want to animate. So we have just created this image. It's automatically added right here. And now let's hit generate to generate the video. Our video is ready. Let's play this. So here you can see there is not any kind of fumbling in the video. We can hear proper sound of rain and we have some thunders right here. Everything is working perfectly. And now in the right side panel here you can see we have our information which we used, and then we have some other options to edit this further. We have some options to upscale, download or publish this video. Well, this was just a single shot. Now I'm going to show you an other magic right here. First close this. And now if we come back in the image section, what we can do, we can use this image as a reference image to create more images. Higgsfield Cinema Studio feature is super good at character consistency. Now I'm going to ask it to create an image where a zombie man should be standing right here in front of door. So I'm going to enter my prompt. I have entered my prompt, and here you can see I'm going to keep the cameras and lens settings same as the previous one. Let's hit generate. So our image is ready, and here you can see we have thunderstorms right here in this image, and same we have here, and we have some trees at background too, and it has also kept great consistency when it comes to the main object of this image. Here we have the same mentioned in the background. Fine. So now here is the real magic. When we bring this to the video section, okay, here what we can do, what we can add the new generated image as an end frame of this video. Let me show you how this works. So click on end frame, go to generated images, and then select this one. Okay, so we have the first image as a first frame and starting frame, and then we have second image as an end frame. Now if you focus on this, we do not have camera movements right here because it will animate it using their AI model. We still have duration, but we do not have option to turn on the audio. So we can also not turn on the slow motion video feature. Here you can give a simple prompt, or you may keep it empty. I'm going to give it a simple prompt. This will be something really good. Just wait for the output. For the time being, this video is being generated. Let's head over to image section again and create a new image. So I'm going to remove the reference image, and now this time I'm going to use this image as a reference image. And now I want this object, this zombie, to hold a custom object which will have a message for us. So the prompt says zombie should have a paper in hand which should say subscribe to AI Funda or RTO. Okay. So I'm going to use the same camera settings. Let's hit generate. Well, the video with the start frame and end frame is ready. Let's play this. Just look at the quality. I mean, we just gave it two images. In the first image, it was just a mansion, and in the second image, the zombie was standing in front of the mansion. But in the video, you can see the zombie is coming out of the mansion, and just look at the camera movements. I mean, this is literally amazing. This is like Hollywood, I would say. This is Hollywood of AI. Okay, you can see we still have all those thunders and back, but here in the first and the end frame, we do not have the audio, so we need to add audio separately. But this is literally amazing. We see the camera movement. We can see all the consistency of other objects. This is amazing, I would say. Well, this was all about Xfield Cinema Studio, and this feature is literally amazing. I'm in love with this start frame and end frame feature. This works really good. And another thing which I really like is is their character consistency. This is super good. And another thing which I really liked is all these cameras and their lens. We can literally have control on every single thing which we want to use, which we want to use for to create our content. If you're a content creator working in any field, Higgsfield is literally the best platform for you to generate AI content. Does not matter if it's AI images or the videos or some custom content. Higgsfield will work for you in every possible way. Xfield apps are also something really good. We can have a lots of apps. I already have made videos on face swap and recast kind of features. You can use all of these. Also, please let me know what you rate in the comment section below. I will love it. That's it for my end.
That's it from today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. I would suggest you to must check it out as they does offer free credits for basic usage. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. We'll meet in the next one. Until then, goodbye.